The yoga pose of the week is the chair pose. So let's come onto our mat or the floor and pretend you're sitting in a chair. This is great for building strength in your ankles, your legs, your knees, your hips, and stretching out the sides. Great for the shoulders. And sit back into the heels of the feet. You can raise your arms up, keeping your shoulders relaxed, or you can bring the arms down right in front of you and hold. Breathe. And let's add a little twist to make it a twisting chair. And you can bring the legs together just a little bit. And bring it back out. And just a chair. And add a little twist, twisting chair. And bring it back out. Just your normal chair. And bring it up.